Hi, I'm Zola, and this is a tutorial for the classical Pilates mat exercise, rolling like a ball. This is one of the fun ones. So make sure you start with enough space behind you, of course, to roll back. You grab your ankles with your hands. Remember, the arms wrap on the outside of the legs and find your ankles. I bring my heels close to my seat, and then I start to curl my tailbone under until my tailbone and my sits bones are in front of me. So you don't want to start on top of those sits bones or those butt bones. I curl the tailbone under, and then from there, keeping those legs the width of my shoulders, I try to find a balance, gluing my heels together. I round my upper back, getting my ears very close to my knees. So I'm trying to make the smallest ball possible. From here, using the breath, you inhale to curl the tailbone under and rock back to the tips of the shoulder blades. Exhale, roll up. You try to balance at the top without setting those feet back down. Again, inhale, curl the tailbone under. Exhale, roll up. The goal is to not let the back of the head touch and to stay rounded with those ears very close to the knees. Now, what happens quite often, I still do it to this day, is rocking up and then rocking in the pelvis. So we really want to think about that deep curl of the lower back and of the tailbone, curling under. Keeping that shape the same as you go back and as you come up. If you don't keep that shape, your low back will flatten on the way up, and you'll lose that roundness and won't be able to get up. So again, you do 5 reps-ish of these. You can do more, you can do a little less. Inhale back, exhale up. Again. And then when you're done, you just place your feet down and then sit your hips back or go into the next exercise. So I hope that helps your Pilates journey. I'll see you next time.